Next is HTML elements for formatting. In HTML, you can change the font, size, color and style of the text to be displayed in a web page. So, changing the font, font size, font color and font style, displaying the enclosed text subscript, superscript or strike through, aligning the text to center using center element, etc. are known as formatting in HTML. So first you are going to study about bold, italic and underline elements. These are used to change the font style. The tag used for the bold element is B, tag used for italic element is I, and tag used for underline element is U. Bold element is used to display the enclosed text in bold. I element or italic element is used to specify the text in italics. Underline element or U element is used to display the text as underlined text. In this example, you can see this particular word earth is a text that is enclosed within the opening and closing tag of B for making it bold. Then here moon is the text enclosed within the opening and closing I tag. U, this is used for underlining text. Okay. Then sun, moon and earth, this complete text will be underlined. And you can also use all these together, bold, italic and underlined, B, I, U. So first open B, then I, then opening U. Then give the complete text. And after that close each. So the last opened must be closed first. Here which is the last opened one, that is underline. So that should be closed first. So innermost element must be closed first. What was the secondly opened element? I. That is closed next. Then first opened element was B. So it is closed at last. So this is the order. You can use elements like this. After opening an element, you can use another element inside it. Then all these settings will be applied to the text enclosed in between these elements. Okay. So bold, italic and underline elements are opened. Then the text is written. This text will be displayed in bold, italics and as underlined text. That is the difference. Let's save it and see the change. Open it in Internet Explorer. Here you can see the word earth, it is displayed in bold. The word moon, it is displayed in italics. Then sun, moon and earth, this particular text is displayed as underlined text. Then the last sentence is displayed as underlined and bold and italics. Next you are going to study about three more elements. They are subscript, superscript and strike through elements. The subscript element is used to display the enclosed text in a subscript format. Subscript format means the text enclosed will be displayed below the level of that line of text. SUB, sub element, is used to make the text as subscript. Here learn is first text, then more is the text given between SUB element. Then what happens here? The text more will be displayed below the text learn. This is the syntax. SUB, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Then another one is superscript element. It specifies the enclosed text in a superscript format. Superscript means the enclosed text will be displayed above the level of line of text. SUP is the element used for it. For example, here 24, then SUP, TH, closing SUP. So this TH will be displayed above this 24. Next is strike through element. It specifies that a line should strike through the middle of the enclosed text. Strike is the tag used for making a text a strike through. When we enclose a text between strike tags, then there will be a line through the middle of the enclosed text. So here we have inserted a text hello in between the opening strike tag and the closing strike tag. Then let's save it and see the changes. Just open it in a web browser. And what happens? Let's look at here. This is subscript text. TH is displayed above the level of the line of text. So this is superscripted. This is strike through. So here you can see the text more is enclosed between opening and closing subtag. The text TH is enclosed between opening and closing SUP tag, and the text hello is enclosed between opening and closing strike tags. That's why we got the text displayed like this. This is subscripted, this is superscripted, and this is strike through.